Hello students, again welcome back to my channel Axaxity. Hope you all are fine. So I'm back with one another video. It's related to IELTS test on 31st July 2021. It's an additional test date from IDP India, and we already updated the prediction for the complete test, and this video is regarding the writing task 2. Okay, so I am here to share some sample questions for your preparation purpose, that also based on the topic. So please make sure that don't expect the same question like this, but you can expect the same topics. So I just subcategorized, so try to collect some points under each topic. So the first one is job. Some employers think that formal academic qualifications are more important than life experiences and personal qualities when they took for an employee. While selecting an employee, rather than looking for academic qualification, they want to check out for life experience and personal qualities. So why is this the case? That means what's the reason behind that? Is it a positive or negative development? It's coming under two-part question. You need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one, old versus young. Nowadays, older people who need employment have to compete with younger people. What problems does this cause and what are the solutions? So it's coming under problem solution essay. So the older people want to compete with younger ones. So what all are the problems behind this and what's the solution you can able to suggest? Okay, so that's regarding the second topic. And third one, telecommuting. Many employees may work at home with the modern technology. Some people claim that it can benefit only the workers, not the employers. So while sitting at the home and working means it will only benefit the employee, not the employer. So do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. It's coming under one-sided opinion essay. So the next topic is energy sources. Research has shown that spending much less time in office can reduce the use of energy like electricity, gas and all. Thus some companies closed for some days a week. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So if they are closing the company for a few days a week, means whether they can able to reduce the use of energy or not. So here you need to give more importance towards the advantages because it's coming under outweigh type of question. Next one, the gap between rural and urban. In many countries, good schools and medical facilities are available only in cities. Some people think new teachers and doctors should work in rural areas for a few years, but others think everyone should be free to choose where they work. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you want to discuss about both the side, both the argument, and try to give your opinion in third body. Next one, about age discrimination. In some countries, it is illegal for companies to reject job applicant for their age. So it is illegal or it is considered as illegal to reject a job application based on the age group. So is this a positive or negative development? So either you can set it as a positive development or negative development, or you can set it have both positive and negative side. Next, about men and women. Men are placed in most high level jobs. Some people say that the government should encourage a certain percentage of this job to be reserved for women. Do you agree or disagree? That means if you think the government want to reserve some jobs for women, means you can agree or else you can disagree. Next one, about work abroad, or they will ask about the study abroad program also. These days many people leave their country to work abroad and take their family with them. Do you think benefit of this outweigh the disadvantages in terms of family development? So here also you need to give more importance towards the advantages, the benefit of this particular trend rather than disadvantages. Next one, about communication technology. Some people think that increasing communication usage of computers and mobile phones by young people has had a negative effect on their reading and writing skills. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. That means you need to give the importance of computers and mobile devices and also about this importance of reading and writing skills. Next one, about food habit. Many people believe that healthy eating and the importance of healthy food should be taught in school. Others say that parents should teach their kids about healthy food and diet. Discuss both views and give your opinion with relevant examples. So it's coming under discussion with opinion type. You need to discuss about both the side, about the teacher side and about the parent side, and try to give your opinion in third body. Next one, about history. Some people think history has nothing or little to tell us, but others think that Studying the past history can help us better understand the present. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Here also you need to discuss both the part, both the argument and give your opinion. Next one about university education. University students often focus on one subject. However, some people think that universities should encourage students to learn a range of other subjects. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to be in balance. You can write about the agreement side and also about the disagreement side in two different body paragraph. Next one about education. Some people think that children should start school at early as possible, while others believe that they should start school at the age of 7. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So you need to discuss both the argument and try to give your opinion. Next one about language. Some people think it is better for children to begin to learn a foreign language at primary schools than at secondary school. Do you think that the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to give more importance towards the advantages of studying a foreign language at a primary school rather than secondary school. Okay, so try to arrange the advantages in two different body paragraph and third body about the disadvantages. It will cause some pressure, like that you can arrange the third body. Next one about the marketing or consumerism related. In some countries, fast food restaurants and supermarkets give money to schools to promote their product. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So if you think it have positive and negative side, means try to arrange like that, or else you can be in one side. Next one about online education. Many people use distance learning programs to study at home, but some people think that it cannot bring the benefit as much as attending college or university. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's also coming under balanced opinion type essay, so you need to give the importance of traditional classroom program and also about the importance of online education. Next one about travel and work. Some students take 1 year off between finishing school and going to university in order to travel or work. Do you think that the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to give more attention towards the advantages of taking an year off for traveling or working rather than the disadvantages. Next one about information technology. Some people think that the government should establish free libraries in each town. Others believe that it is a waste of money since people can access the internet at home to obtain information. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So you need to discuss about both the argument about the library section and also about this internet facilities in home and try to give your opinion. Next one about school and children. Some people think that schools should teach students according to their academic abilities, while others believe that it is better to have students with different abilities study together. That means in a class. So discuss both views and try to give your opinion. What do you think? Whether they want to study together or separately. Next one about children. Children find it difficult to concentrate on or pay attention to school. What are the reasons and how we can solve this problem? So it's coming under problem solution essay. So here they given the problem. You need to say what are the reasons and try to suggest some solutions. Next one about the environment. Environmental problems such as pollution and climatic variations are increasing nowadays. The government have taken some measures at a global level, but they got only few solutions. Why is it so? That means what are the reasons behind this? And how can this be solved? What are the solutions? You can able to suggest the solutions too. Next one about alternative energy sources. Nuclear energy is a better choice for meeting increasing demand. Do you support the use of nuclear technology for constructive purposes? That's a question. Use your knowledge and experience and support your argument with examples and relevant evidence. So they asked for your opinion whether it is useful to use nuclear energy for constructive purposes. So it's coming under opinion type essay. Next one under consumerism. Nowadays, people always throw the old things away when they buy new things. Some people claim that the broken things should be repaired and used again. What factors cause this phenomenon? The only reason is consumeristic nature of people. So what effect does this phenomenon leads to? It leads to so many problems in environment and also in society. It will increase the e-waste and all, so you can give that to you. Next one about road and traffic. Some people believe government should spend money on building train and subway lines to reduce traffic congestion. Others believe that building motorways and wider roads are the better way to reduce traffic congestion. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. You can discuss both sides and try to give your opinion. Next one about materialism. It has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, ATV, and fridge. Do you think the disadvantages of such a development outweigh the advantages? So here also you need to give more importance towards the disadvantages of this particular materialistic nature or material possession. Next one about environment or related to urbanization. Some people think that it is more important to plant trees in open areas of towns and cities than to build more housing. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here you need to give importance of planting trees and also about the construction of housing because it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. Next one about tourism. International travel makes people prejudiced rather than broad-minded. What are the causes and what measures can be taken to solve this problem? You need to discuss the reasons and also the solutions. Next one about transportation. People have to spend more and more time to travel from their homes for jobs or study. What are the reasons and how we can solve this problem? So here you need to give the importance towards the commuting time. They are taking more time to travel to work or study. So what are the reasons and try to suggest some solutions. Next, about international travel. Some people think that it is necessary to travel abroad to learn about other countries, while other people think that it is not necessary to travel abroad because all the information can be seen on TV and the internet. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Discussion with opinion type essay. Next one about people and character. Some people think that personal happiness is directly related to economic success. Others argue that happiness depends on different factors. There are so many other factors too. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next, again, discussion with opinion type essay. So, whenever they are asking for discussion with opinion, try to give your opinion in third body paragraph. Next, about the gap between rich and poor. Some people believe that the range of technology available to individuals today is increasing the gap between poor people and rich people. Others think that it is having an opposite effect. That means it will decrease the gap. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Again, discussion with opinion type essay. So try to concentrate more on this opinion type essay and discussion with opinion type essay in case of academic module. Okay. Then next topic is international aid. So it can also serve to be as foreign aid. Some people think that government should not give international aid if they have disadvantaged people like unemployed and homeless in their own country. So to what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's also coming under balanced opinion type essay. That means unemployment and homeless is not a criteria to help others, right? So you can write about the agreement side and also about the disagreement side. Whenever they ask for to what extent, try to be in balance. Write about both the side. Next one about crime. Prison is the common way in most countries to solve the problem of crime. However, a more effective solution is to provide people a better education. Do you agree or disagree? So if you think that we need to provide better education means you can agree or else you can disagree. Next one about newspaper. Although nowadays people are reading news through internet, newspapers still remain of value. That means people are reading newspaper too. Do you agree or disagree? So if you think newspapers still remain value means you can agree or else you can disagree. We need only electronic gadgets. So next topic is role models. Nowadays, young people are admiring media and sports stars even though they do not set a good example. Do you think it is a positive or a negative development? If they are following the media and sports stars means whether it is a positive or negative development. Okay, it's coming under opinion type. Next one about culture and media. Exposure to international media such as film, TV and magazines has a significant impact on local culture. What do you think has been the impact? Do you think its advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here also it's coming under two-part question. No need to leave any particular part. Try to give answer for both the part of the question. Next one about internet. More and more people are using the internet to do their task rather than doing in person like banking, shopping, hotel booking, etc. Do the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? So it's also coming under outweigh type of question. We need to give more attention towards the advantages of this particular trend. Next about government role. The government should control the amount of violence in films and on television in order to decrease the violent crimes in the society. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's also balanced opinion type essay. You can expect any type of question under government role in any particular aspect. Okay. Next one about news. Some people think news has no connection to people's life, so then it is a waste of time to read the news in the newspaper and watch television news programs. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Here also try to be in balance, try to write about the agreement and disagreement side. Next about leisure time. Some people say that parents should organize free time activities for their children. Others say children should be free to choose what they do in their free time. Discuss both sides and opine. So in favor of parents and also in favor of children, and try to give your opinion. Next one about sports and games. Today many children spend a lot of time playing computer games and less time on sports. Why? Is this a positive or negative development? Here also you need to answer for both the part of the question. What are the reasons for this particular trend, and what do you think, whether it is a positive or negative development? Next one about famous people. Some people believe that young people know about international pop and movie stars but know very less about famous people from history of their own country. Why is this? So what's the reason behind that? And how can more interest be created in young people to gain more knowledge about their own famous people from history? So what's the solution? So try don't mislead with the question length and all. So try to read out properly. Next one about youngsters. The best way to prepare for the future is to invest in young people. How true do you think it is? What are the ways to spend resources on these young people? How we can utilize the resources for youngsters? So you need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one about economy and family. In some countries, more and more adults are living with their parents after graduating from college, university, or even after finding a job. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So here also try to give more importance towards the advantages. Next one about family and relations. Nowadays, many families have both parenting working. Some working parents believe other family members like grandparents can take care of their children, while others think child care centers provide the best care. Okay, so discuss both views and give your opinion. Try to discuss and give your opinion. What do you think? Whether grandparents will look after, or we want to arrange for some babysitting and all. Next one about art. Some people say that every human being can create art. Others believe that only people with born ability or innate ability can create art. Discuss both views and try to give your opinion. The next topic is under population or world issues. It is expected that there will be a higher proportion of old people than young people in the future in some countries. Do you think it is a positive or negative development? So what do you think? Whether increasing in old generation, old population means what all are the effect? If you think it is a positive means you can write like that, or if you think it have both side means you can write like that too. So the next topic is society or social issues. Some people think that in the modern society, individuals are becoming more dependent on each others, while others say that individuals are becoming more independent of each others. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So try to give reasons for both the side and try to give your opinion too. Next one about advertising or advertisement. People are surrounded by advertising, which has an increasing effect on our lives. Do you think the positive effect of this outweigh the negative effect? So here also you need to give more importance towards the advantages of this trend. And you can expect the same question by the influence of this advertisement on children also. So the next topic is globalization. Because of the global economy, many goods including what we use as daily basics produced by other countries have to be transported for a long distance. To what extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So how much this globalization and exporting and importing influence the modern society? So you need to give more importance towards the advantages of this particular trade. Question you can expect under food also, whether food travels thousands of miles from consumers to customers, like that also. So the next topic is science and technology. Due to development in science and technology, lifestyle of people across the world are becoming more and more similar to each other because all are using same products. Do you think this is a positive or a negative development? So here also it's coming under opinion type essay. Either you can be in one side or you can be in balance. That means positive and negative development, and try to explain about that. Next topic is sports and arts. Government need to spend money to encourage the development of sports and art for school children rather than support professional sports and art events. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. It's coming under one sided opinion essay. So don't be in balance. You need to be in one side. Okay. Next one about exercises and health. Health experts believe that walking is a good exercise for health. However, people are walking less nowadays. Why is this happening? How can people be encouraged to work more? So what are the reasons and what are the solutions? It's coming under problem solution essay. Okay, next one about healthcare and education. Some people think that the government should pay for healthcare and education, but other people claim that it is the individual's responsibility. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you need to discuss about both the side and try to give your opinion to you. Next one about artificial intelligence. Some people think that robots are very important to humans' future development, while others think they are dangerous and have a negative effect on society. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you can expect anything related to this artificial intelligence. That means about the innovative studies, about the robots, the machines and all. Next one under mobile phones. The use of mobile phones should be banned in public places such as libraries, transportation, and shops. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, here also you need to give the importance of mobile phones and also about the ill effects. That means why we need to ban the mobile phone in public places. That means about the agreement side and also about the disagreement side. Next one about modernization, or we can say it as advancement in technology. Today, people can work and live anywhere they want because of the improvement of communication technology and transport. Do advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? So, here also you need to give more importance towards the advantages. Next one under animals. Animals are in danger of extinction. Some people say that we should protect only those animals which are useful to human. Do you agree or disagree? So if you think that we need to protect the only the domestic animals or the farm animals means you can agree, or else you think that if we need to protect the wild animals too means you can disagree. Next one about government and economy. Some people think that the government should provide assistance to all kind of artists including painters, musicians and poets. However, other people think that it is a waste of money. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So, if we are giving money to this artist and all means it's a waste of money. The second argument is like that. So, you need to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. What do you think about this particular thing? Next one about the music. Some people think music plays an important role in society, others think it is simply a form of entertainment. So, discuss both sides of this argument and give your own opinion. Music plays an important role in society means you can write about the traditional cultural value of music and about the importance in tourism. Okay, different things you can say about. And second one about the only as a leisure time activity. Okay, and try to give your opinion too. Next one about these art galleries. Museums and art galleries should concentrate on local works, not showing the culture or artworks from other countries. So, to what extent do you agree or disagree? So, here also you need to give the importance of local works and also about the international works. Okay, importance of both the side. Next one about city life or the urban life. There are more new towns being built nowadays. It is more important to include public parks and sports facilities than shopping centers for individuals to spend their free time. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under to what extent type of question. That means balanced opinion type essay. You need to give the importance of public park, sports facilities, and even about shopping centers. Next one about buildings. Many countries construct modern buildings to give good view of towns and cities. Some people say that countries should make new buildings with a traditional style to preserve their culture as part of their identity. Do you agree or disagree? So either you can agree or you can disagree. So next again, under urbanization, in many countries, the quality of life in the large cities is becoming worse. What are the causes and what are the solutions? It's coming under problem solution essay. So try to give proper reasons and solutions. Next one under world issues. The movement of people from agricultural areas to cities to work can cause serious problems in both places. What are the serious problems and what measures can be taken to solve these particular issues? It's also coming under problem solution essay. You need to state about the problems in both sides. That means in rural area and also about the urban area. That means about the village area and also about the city life. Next one about culture. The best way to learn about the culture is to work in multinational organization. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree and try to give proper reasons. So next one under business, or we can say it as under transportation and accommodation issues. As transport and accommodation problems are increasing in many cities, some governments are increasing businesses to move to rural areas. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So try to give more importance towards the advantages. So that's all about this question list. So it's around 60 to 68 question. Don't worry while seeing this question. Actually in IELTS there are so many topics and so many questions. So here I just list down some important questions which you need to prepare for your test to help you out. So try to prepare with this. Try to collect some points. So all the very best for your test date and God bless you all. Thank you.